If you love tiramisu but feel too lazy to make it, you'll have this ready before your coffee even cools down.
Hi, sweet tooths. I hope you like coffee because the tiramisu we're making today is prepared simply by mixing. So I'm placing the pitcher and getting started. Also, you can give it your personal touch with some tricks I'll tell you about later.
Pay attention, because it only takes a few minutes, and we don't need a blender or anything. We put a package of mascarpone in a large pitcher or any other container and mix it however we like. In my case, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a splash of cream, about half a cup, also known as heavy cream, whipping cream, or double cream. And we're going to mix all of this really well until we have a completely smooth and homogeneous texture. It's that easy. We make a delicious cream.
And I already have the cream ready. That's right, there are people who, instead of liking it as thick as I do, prefer it fluffy, really fluffy. Well, you have a very simple solution. Whip the cream first before mixing it with the mascarpone.
And the other important ingredient, a good freshly brewed coffee, to which we're going to add ladyfingers, these sponge fingers, also called ladyfingers, or, well, many names. What do you call them? Soak them, then place pieces in cups or glasses. And you just keep layering cream with layers of sponge fingers until you have them completely covered. Then put it in the fridge or refrigerator, and that's it. Your dessert is ready for whenever you want to enjoy it. I like to leave it for at least 2 hours, but if you want to prepare it a day in advance, that's no problem. Even freshly made, it's also really good. The only thing left is the final touch, which comes from the bitterness of the cocoa, turning 2 glasses into 2 wonders. Don't tell me you don't feel like enjoying this. Look at this tasty cream and the fantastic dessert we made. How long has the video been running?
2 minutes and voila, the best tiramisu in a glass or a cup. If you're a coffee and cocoa lover, don't miss this dessert. You're going to love it. And also, here's another option that I'm sure you're really going to enjoy.